Welcome to iSuite Biometry. This segment will illustrate the axial length measurements acquired using the LENSTAR. Axial length measurements are captured along the patient's visual axis, thus producing a highly accurate and reproducible measurement. LENSTAR utilizes optical low coherence reflectometry to measure axial length, which is a technology that is similar to time domain OCT. Each scan is composed of 16 individual measurements. These measurements are acquired using an 820 nanometer superluminescent diode. LENSTAR software offers variable measuring modes, including normal eye, aphakia, pseudophakia, and silicone oil filled. 5 sequential scans during the capture process are recommended to obtain more data points. The measurement range for axial length is 14 millimeters to 32 millimeters. LENSTAR is the only optical biometer that is capable of measuring keratometry, white-to-white, pupillometry, pachymetry, anterior chamber depth, lens thickness, and axial length measurements during the same session without the necessity of changing software parameters. The single acquisition process saves valuable time by streamlining your examination process. The axial length measurements are displayed on the results overview page. By selecting any of the axial length values, the physician can open a new window displaying all of the individual axial length measurements from the biometry acquisition. Please refer to the gate adjustment tutorial video for assistance with adjusting gates. From this screen, the user may select individual measurements to evaluate independently. Measurement data can be excluded entirely by unchecking the box to the right of the measurements. The axial length values may also be excluded individually with a right click of the mouse. Excluded measurements will remain in the database and are not permanently deleted. Adjusted results will have the notation of a hand pointing down. They will also be displayed with an asterisk on both the A-scan screen as well as on the results overview page. Right and left eye measurements will open independently.